In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix no network connection available error on Microsoft OneNote app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. If you are getting this error on your OneNote app, first thing you want to check and ensure you have a stable and steady internet connection. If your Wi-Fi failed, try using your mobile data to see if this fixes the issue. In most cases, now this should work. However, sometimes the issue might not be the internet or network connection, but rather you might be using a security app or any VPN app that might be causing this issue. For that case, uninstall any recently installed security app, and if you have a VPN turned on, turn it off to see if this fixes the problem. In most cases, this should be able to fix your issue. However, if this fails, then go to Google Play Store or App Store, check for any update for your Microsoft OneNote app, update it to the latest version. Then you want to proceed and go to settings to troubleshoot your OneNote app. So from settings, go to apps and then go to manage apps or all apps. From here, search for your app by name and tap on it to open. This will take you to OneNote app info page. From here, go to for stop app and OK, and go to clear data, clear cache and OK, and finally clear all data. Once you are done, now restart your smartphone, and now if you go to your OneNote app, it should be working and you shouldn't have any network connection issue. However, if at this point nothing works, then most likely OneNote app has experienced internal server error. For that, you need to wait after some few minutes, try using your app, and now everything should be up and running. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.